Yep. Once again, shout out to all the Jizz fan followers. This be your guy, Young Stan over here at Jizz Family Entertainment. I want to get back to y'all with a quickie. I told y'all, basically on this YSL trial. They live right now as we speak. And I just want to run something right back to y'all because I once said that the district attorney office is working with the judge, but the judge is working with the district attorney office. I always figured it because you can see it. But check this out. Check this out. Shout out to Law Crime, man, for the video. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the YouTube, turn your
Mr.
bell on.
Short, you can just go ahead and repeat that.
Your Honor, we are in court playing uh, what's supposed to be the redacted version of Mr. Copeland's June 10th, 2015 interview at approximately 3:55, say 45. It was just played in court. Investigator Dennis speaking to Mr. Copeland and saying, and essentially saying that Lil D and Shannon are the ones that are going to kill Mr. Copeland in the future.
Mm.
Um, that according to my notes, that was not supposed to be played in front of the jury. The state was to redact certain portions of this transcript as was litigated a couple weeks ago, and the state assured us that they were going to stop at the appropriate times and pause at the appropriate times.
Mm-hmm.
That was not done.
Everybody remember this.
And it is a statement about it's prejudicial, it's bad character, it's a statement about my client's future dangerousness that the jury has been exposed to. And at this point, I am moving for a mistrial on behalf of Mr. Stillwell.
So think about it, y'all. We know. I had said this. We going through all this redaction as far as with Lil Woody's statement and everything. We're gonna redact this. What the state want in, they get in. What they been getting in. But I say what the defense want out, they haven't been getting out. But when they told this gonna be out, I said it. They gonna play it anyway. Because they been getting what they want to get since Judge Glanville. So this right here just come. Let's just see if this gonna what is gonna revolve in. Like what y'all think? All the Jets fans subscribe out there. What y'all think? I want y'all to help me on this video. I want y'all to like, share, subscribe. I want y'all to comment. What y'all think? Let's get back into it a little bit more.
I'll hear from the state.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have here, when we went over the redactions, the portions that the state was supposed to redact. And what I have here from this chart, Your Honor, is page 396, line 21, which begins with I heard Shannon and D was shooting at niggas on Simpson Road. And I have that we were going to be redacting from 396, line 21, through 397, line 11. And that is the portion that we had just paused on before the objection was launched. So the portion that Mr. Shard is discussing was not, at least in the notes that I have, the portion that the state was supposed to redact. So
In the notes you have, pay attention.
Of any mistrial at this juncture, given the notes that I have. And I also sent this over, the highlighter redactions, to defense counsel to confirm
At least in the
that
notes.
the portions highlighted are the portions that need to be redacted. And no one brought up to my attention at all that I missed a particular
You supposed to make sure. See, this is what we talking about. Somebody life on the line with
And
this.
do you believe that you missed a highlight, or do you believe that what you highlighted is correct?
What I highlighted is correct.
All right, I'm going to take a brief recess and look back at all of my notes from them.
So think about it, y'all. Hear it. Once again, I said shout out to Law Crime for the video. It's crazy. I said it. You guys. I said it. I felt like the state was gonna do it anyway. The judge been correcting these district attorneys. It's the same way she been call herself trying to do it the same way for the defense. But the defense been doing what she been asking the honorable court. But on the opposite end, the district attorney office not doing it. Like they doing what they trying to make it seem like it's day trial. They already not producing the evidence that need to be produced. It's been like over a year. So they haven't been producing what they need. They don't have solid, the solid woe. You know what I'm saying? They don't have the it. You know what I'm saying? They don't have what's to put you there to say that this what you doing. They trying to put something together. If it's redacted out, you have to redact those out. Now I wanna I'm not on no either side. The thing is, Shaw brought up the situation saying that they're supposed to be redacted out. Which Schaub is the attorney on the YSL trial, which he did deal with all the redactions. He dealt with all the redactions. So Schaub, he dealt with all the redactions, so he notating everything. It was a lot of it. It was a couple of days we went through straight redactions. So we're gonna see what this judge gonna do and how she gonna come out, because at this point of the trial, I'm not an attorney. I'm more like a heroic attorney. I have went through the system, so I know a little bit about the system. So I can feel if it's right or I can feel if it's wrong. Basically, in other words, I've been in there, so I know. So I can only believe, I only can feel what the defendants is going through. Like every time they know it's something with the trial, it's something. Not said that the defense have been perfect, but if you're gonna get me on something, get me on something. Don't get me on just allegations or he say, she say. Because anybody can say anything. That don't mean that it's credible. Now, if you got something that's solid and credible that can stand the grounds, then hey, let us hear it. But at the same time, I always would talk what you do reflects on the next person, because it's always somebody watching you. So if you's a district attorney and you not doing it the right way, or you a defense attorney and you not doing it the right way, people gonna see how you is. The first thing they're gonna call you is corrupt. If you're not doing it the right way, y'all doing it in a spec where the world can see. Make it be right. You just played a video. If this is supposed to have been decked out, you played a video to the jury. Can they re-erase this? But like I said, man, like, share, subscribe, man. I hope y'all got something out of this. Like I say, I'm not sided. I ain't picking no sides. We still got to figure out. They got to go into a recess, and the judge got to figure out what's what. So, I'm going to come back with some more. We're going to chop it up a little bit more about it. Like I said, y'all help me on this video. What y'all think about it? Get back with me. Thank you. It's been good.